Now, for more on this, let's go to Jameel Ahmad, who is the head of currency strategy at markets research at FXTM in London. Great to have you on the programme. Tell us more about why we're seeing this historic fall in oil prices.
So essentially, there's a storage issue, and if you do not have any more room in your house to store something, there's an overflow. And this is exactly what's happening to oil prices, and it's a tremendous issue. It's even more of an issue because of where the global economy is right now. And I do think that we need to start talking about $10 for oil sooner rather than later, because traders are clearly seeing lower oil prices. And we haven't seen oil prices at these levels this century. So we're going back to the 1990s. On top of this move today of 38% is the biggest intraday move in oil prices since 1982. And of course, everybody's now going to be wondering, what are OPEC going to do? What can OPEC Plus do to solve this problem? And the truth is that they can't, because OPEC Plus have time and time again shown that they do not act as a unified team in terms of collaborating together to achieve its objectives on oil supplies, because there's been a lot of dysfunctional issues within the group that traders are very aware about. So what I do see is, as economic data readings continue to point towards record lows throughout the global economy, the IMF and the World Bank are coming out and saying that this is going to be the greatest recession that we've seen for close to 100 years, that we will still see more bumps lower in oil prices as a result.
And Jameel, what can we expect from stock markets this week?
Now, stock markets is a bit of a contrast here, because we've actually got more optimism in stock markets. To give you an example, for the 38% decline in oil prices today, we've actually seen stock markets have improved by 33% from their lows in the middle of February based on the coronavirus impact. Generally, where I see stock markets heading from here is they can be more supported. However, I'm aware of risks that global economies are going too fast, jumping the gun to reopen. There's no real evidence yet that a cure is going to be found soon, or that we're heading for a peak of infections. After all, we're at 2 million cases today. We're only 1 million just over a week ago from that. So I would be aware about any moves lower in stock markets as a result of investors getting too excited that things are going to go back to normal. Maybe the new normal is going to be different to what we thought the normal was going to be. So I'd be more aware of where the stock markets could head from here, and I see lower lows rather than more highs.
Who knows where that new normal will be? Jameel, thank you so much for your time. Jameel Ahmad, thank you.